Are you ready to delve into the intricate legal framework that governs the relationship between businesses and consumers? This exploration will illuminate key principles, statutes, and regulations that ensure fair and ethical operations. Discover how these laws protect consumer rights and promote transparency in the marketplace. Consumer protection is crucial in business-consumer relationships. Laws like the Consumer Rights Act 2015 shield consumers from unfair practices. They ensure products meet quality standards and are fit for purpose. This legislation holds businesses accountable for their offerings. Understanding this principle helps maintain trust and integrity in the market. Under the Consumer Rights Act 2015, defective products must be repaired, replaced, or refunded. This law ensures businesses are responsible for product quality. If a product fails, consumers have clear legal remedies. This accountability boosts consumer confidence. It's a cornerstone of fair trading practices. Fair trading mandates businesses to operate transparently and fairly. The Competition and Markets Authority regulates this in the UK. Laws like the Consumer Protection from Unfair Trading Regulations 2008 prevent deceptive practices. They ensure consumers aren't misled. This principle fosters competitive and honest markets. Failing to do so breaches the Consumer Protection from Unfair Trading Regulations 2008. Such actions are deemed unfair and face enforcement by the Competition and Markets Authority. This ensures businesses uphold their promotional promises. It protects consumer interests. Contractual transparency is vital for honest business-consumer relationships. Clear terms and conditions prevent misunderstandings. Laws like the Unfair Contract Terms Act 1977 govern this area. They require fair and transparent contracts. Understanding these terms helps consumers know their rights and obligations. Service providers must clearly outline contract terms, including cancellation policies. This covers aspects such as fees, notice periods, and conditions for termination, ensuring customers fully understand their rights and obligations. Lack of transparency can render contracts unenforceable. Hidden charges, vague language, or unfair clauses may be challenged in court, leaving businesses legally and reputationally vulnerable. The Unfair Contract Terms Act 1977 ensures fairness. It restricts businesses from limiting their liability for negligence, prevents the use of unreasonable exclusion clauses, and works alongside the Consumer Rights Act 2015 to strengthen consumer protection. Consumers must be informed of all terms. This includes key information about pricing, renewal processes, and any limitations of service, enabling them to make well-informed choices. This clarity prevents disputes and fosters trust. Transparent agreements reduce misunderstandings, promote customer loyalty, and create a fairer marketplace for both parties. Data protection is crucial in today's digital age. Businesses must handle consumer data responsibly. Regulations like the GDPR and Data Protection Act 2018 set strict guidelines. These laws protect consumer privacy and data from misuse. Understanding this principle is key to maintaining consumer trust. Businesses collecting customer data for marketing must obtain consent. Consumers should have the option to opt out. Breaching data protection laws can lead to severe penalties. It also risks losing consumer trust. Adhering to these regulations is essential for ethical business practices. Product safety ensures consumers are protected from harm. The General Product Safety Regulations 2005 enforce this. Businesses must ensure their products are safe and meet standards. regular safety assessments are required. This principle is vital for consumer protection and trust. Manufacturers must comply with safety standards for their products. Unsafe products require immediate corrective actions. This might include recalls or warnings. The General Product Safety Regulations 2005 enforce these measures. Ensuring safety is crucial for maintaining consumer confidence. In conclusion, understanding the legal principles governing business-consumer relationships is vital. These principles protect consumer rights and ensure fair trading, transparency, and safety. By adhering to these laws, businesses can build trust and operate ethically in the marketplace. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please contact us on WhatsApp at 07000 484 300 and 61688.